Hey, thanks for clicking on my video. If this video helps you, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. It is greatly appreciated and it really helps. Let's get to the video. Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how we can factor polynomials on the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator. So I'm going to bring my calculator on the screen, and we notice that we have two examples we're going to do: x squared plus 7x minus 18 and 3x squared minus 7x minus 6. So these are both quadratic polynomials, ones that we would see in Algebra 1 or Algebra 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on Apps in our calculator, and option number 7 says PLY SMLT 2. So the PLY stands for polynomial, so we want to go down to option number 7, hit enter, or you could just hit the number 7. All right, so now we have actually two things in here. We have polynomial root finder, which we're going to use in this video, and then we have the simultaneous equation solver, which we're actually going to use in a separate video. So here, the main focus, we're going to use option number 1, so hit enter. And now we're going to basically set up what our polynomial looks like. So the order is our degree. So both examples that we're going to do are quadratic polynomials. So the order would be 2. We're just going to leave it there. Now the next option is, do we want to use real numbers? Do we want some imaginary or complex numbers? So on and so forth. So for these examples, we're just going to use real numbers. And then for the rest of it, we're going to leave as is. So we want auto. We don't want scientific or engineering notation, just normal. And then float, we're just going to leave as is. And we want to make sure our calculator is in degree. So once we have these settings here, we're going to hit the graph button, because we have these tabs up here that basically correspond to these 5 buttons up here. So if I want to go back to the main menu, I can hit y equals. If I need help, I can hit trace. If I'm good and I want to go ahead and solve my polynomial, then I'm going to hit graph, which takes me to next. Okay, so now in here, this is basically whatever polynomial equation you solved most recently. So this has just been saved from the last time you went to this screen on your calculator, so we don't have to worry about this right now. So for option number 1, or for example number 1, we're going to solve x squared plus 7x minus 18. So I'm going to leave 1 here for my value of a, and then I'm going to hit enter, and or we have number 1. Now here we can actually change. Do we have plus or do we have minus? Well, we have plus 7x, so I'm going to leave that as is and hit enter. I'm going to type in a 7, and I'm going to hit enter. But now notice we do, on our example, we want minus 18. So I'm going to change this to subtraction, hit enter, and then change my value for C to 18. So I hit enter, and now it's all set up the way I want it, and now I can hit the graph button because that corresponds to solve. So I hit solve, and it gives me my 2 values. So in this case, x would be equal to 2, and x would be equal to negative 9, okay? All right, now let's go ahead and do another one. So to get back to our main menu, we could click on y equals, or if I just want to adjust the numbers that I put in, I can hit the coefficient button, which corresponds to zoom. So I hit zoom, and now it takes me back to where I was. Well, for my second option now, I want 3x squared, and then now I want minus, I'm still going to do 7x, but now we want minus 6. So I hit enter. Everything is the way I want it, and I hit solve, and it gives me my 2 values. Okay, so we had 3x squared minus 7x minus 6. So now it's going to give me x is equal to negative 2/3, and x is equal to 3. Okay, so it doesn't factor it for me, but it does give me what x is equal to. So we know that when we factor it, we then use the zero product property to actually find the roots. So if we did want to use this information, what x is equal to factor it, right, we could use the values for x and basically go back a step and find the factors as well, okay? So this is how you can use the Polynomial Root Finder app on the TI-84 Plus CE graphing calculator.